Horses out, we have Titanic, past the begin, Danari inside, Bibora, AJ Special, moving up, Salabusab, Cardong Kaliwa, Gigi Star, Highly Urgent, and Turn Me Loose is the early trailer. We have Bibora by about 3-4 balang in between horses, AJ Special, and on the outside, third, Cardong Kaliwa, 3 lengths for the back in for Titanic, and Gigi Star moving up by Drell Pip alongside 6 Salabusab, Highly Urgent, and Turn Me Loose still racing in last. Down the back stretch they trouble, we have Bibora, AJ Special, Cardong Kaliwa joining them, and about 4 lengths the win for moving up now is Salabusab, Titanic, Gigi Star, Highly Urgent, and Turn Me Loose, and it's still Bibora, and on the outside Cardong Kaliwa, AJ Special, Salabusab on the outside to take the lead. Salabusab now takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Highly Urgent, Titanic is running by the third. We've got Salabusab, Titanic, Highly Urgent is on the outside. And as they come down to the last 150, Salabusab, Titanic, and on the outside, Highly Urgent, then comes Turn Me Loose. We've got Titanic, followed by Turn Me Loose, down on the inside, Salabusab, Highly Urgent, Titanic, this time by about 2 lengths, however, Highly Urgent, and finally, Titanic, Highly Urgent, Turn Me Loose, Salabusab, Gigi Star, AJ Special for your